Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I am going to discuss about data. So what is data and why we need it? So let's look at the next slide. What is data? Data is a raw facts and figure. What does that mean? So if we store any kind of text, document, images or any kind of video in our computer system which are in raw form, then we can say that that is our data. Any kind of text, document, images or videos which are in raw form, then we can say that that is our data. If we want information, then we should have to process that data into information. Okay, so let's look at every point one by one. Point number one, data is a raw facts and figure. It's clear? Okay. Number two, these have very little meaning until they are sorted or they are used to make calculations. Data has very little meaning. What does that mean? We cannot take any kind of decision by using data. If we want to take any kind of decision, then we should have to process that data into information. Okay, so that's why we can say that data have very little meaning, okay, until they are sorted. Next point, the process of sorting or calculating data is called data processing. When we sort out or calculate the data, that process is called data processing. When we sort out or calculate the data, then we convert that data into information. This process is called data processing. This is also called computing. Okay, next, the result of data processing is information, and the result will be in the form of information. Data is an input and information as an output.